that question was almost tailored for our department.
Okay.
So we have a special operations group, or
Okay.
the aircraft fire rescue. They take care of everything at the airports. We have technical rescue teams that handle high-rise trench rescues, which are below ground, as well as high-angle window washers, crane operators, swift water rescues. We have a technical rescue team that has extensive training in that. We have a hazmat team, and they take care of chemical emergencies. They have more equipment, higher level of training, and even some more protective suits to deal with chemical emergencies. So our special, we call them special operations teams, have higher, people trained to higher levels than our basic firefighter. But as a basic firefighter, you are trained in, you do get some hazmat training, you do get some rescue rope training, knots, and you get to rappel. You get a little bit of aircraft training, but thankfully our department is fortunate enough to have enough members to put in all of these areas.
Yeah.
The aircraft rescue firefighters, actually the FAA and the airport system takes care of most of their expenses and the equipment, because their equipment is a lot different than what you see on the street, where we get out and fight the fire. On the aircraft firefighters, they sit in the truck and spray the foam. It's a whole different level of firefighting. And to train everyone to that level would be quite expensive, and it would be something that they don't use all the time. There are regulations by the FAA on how much training they have to have and their live burns. And so we do have a special group that handles all of the aircraft emergencies as well as rescue. We have a special group for them too, because they have to get swift water boat training, training on extricating from vehicles, a little bit more extensive training on high angle rescues with ropes and rappelling and extracting people from uncomfortable places. So, and hazardous material as well. We have to be up on chemicals, how to treat them, what to do with them, what to look out for, working the equipment to measure levels of toxicity. So we're fortunate enough to have all those specialty groups, as well as the basic training that we have, and the stations around, say our hazmat station is on the southeast side where most of our chemical things happen. Yeah. Sometimes the stations close to them, they work with them, as well as the Channel Industries Mutual Aid Group, to do some specialized training on the hazards that they may face in those areas. So that's how we get it done. It's spreading the love on all the special things, but some of it we have to keep kind of close so we can have the people that are trained and deal with it on a day in and day out basis, so they're more familiar and have a little bit better level of expertise.